Hey y'all, this is my date night look with the Natasha Denona My Dream Palette. This is the final look and I will show you how I did it. Here we go.
Hey guys, it is a Saturday night and I am going to do a makeup look to go with this dress. New Natasha Denona My Dream Palette. This seems like the obvious choice because it like look at these colors. They completely go. So let me go ahead and put on my brows. I am slathering on so much P. Louise eyeshadow base. This one is the white one. This one's called Rumor Zero, I guess, because it's white. And let that set a little bit. So I really want the eyeshadows to stand out and stay. I'm going to use a little Jones Road Miracle Balm. This is the color Sunkissed. And I just add a little bit here. Here, I just want a little bit of color. Temples through here. And then right at the top of my cheekbone, just like this. And don't worry, we are going to blend this out really well. Makeup Revolution has these beautiful liquid blushes. I think they're called, Blush Balm. This one is in the color Dolly Rose. They give the skin this like dewy finish and it looks crazy now, but when you blend it in, it's not so crazy. It's actually pretty awesome. So I'm just using my finger. See that dewy finish? Just gives you a little glow. And then I just buff that out with a brush. And now we are ready for our eyes. I'm going to go right into this color, Carpe Diem, and I am going to add that right here. Then I'm going in with the color Risk. I'm adding that to the outer corner here. Adding that in and then blending. Building that color through the crease again, so it's kind of underneath that Carpe Diem color. Then I'm going to add the color Instinct right on the lid. Just like that, and a little through the crease. And a little more of that Instinct right here on the inner corner. We are just gonna layer that color until we see, I moved myself. This little like space, this little landing strip here. Then we're gonna take this color Edgy, and I'm really gonna like draw that crease in over top. And creating this corner V. And with this pencil brush, I'm going to keep layering and blending that out. I use this color Spontaneous to hit this area right here. And the color I'm choosing for that middle area here will be this one. And it's just going right there on the lid, in that center part of the lid. I'm going to use Urban Decay's Rockstar underneath the eye to line. Then a little more of that edgy color to smudge that out. I'm going to try to add a few false mascara lashes. I just add a little of this balm to the underside of the lashes after mascara. And then we add the lash underneath. And here it is with the lashes. Here it is so far. Loving this look. I mixed two colors because my lips are really dry. I did ColourPop's Lippy Sticks in the color Cami, and then e.l.f.'s Black Cherry over top of it. I felt like the black cherry was a little too sheer. Wanted a little more color, and this was a little too matte for my lips to try, so I did the e.l.f. sheer slay. So here is the home makeup look. I'm in the dress. Let me show you how the dress looks. Here is the dress. It is a brown dress, so I'm loving this palette. It is just amazing, and I'm creating these new looks with this palette. So what do you think of this look? I hope you like my video. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I do beauty reviews, swatches. I love eyeshadows, and if you're obsessed with eyeshadows as much as I am and you want to know how to use these palettes, please subscribe to my channel and check out the rest of my videos. I love doing a lot of looks, and as a mature woman with mature skin at the age of 50, I don't care about makeup rules. I used to be a makeup artist for 13 years. Rules change all the time, and nothing is law and nothing is secret, and I am not going to sit back and wear neutrals for the rest of my life. Although I do love neutrals. I have so many colors of neutrals, but I do love them. But I love shimmer, I love glitter, I love color, so I'm never afraid to do looks with all of those things. I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe to my channel.